Just whilst we're wandering through the showrooms, I thought we'd pop into this room, which is one of our museum rooms. In here we house some of the cars that we look after for our clients long term and some of our own cars. So none of these are for sale, but I couldn't walk by and not have a quick look in here and show you what we have. 250LM, 250 GT short wheelbase CFAT hot rod, short wheelbase California Spider, covered headlight, 14 Louvre 250 GT Tour de France, right-hand drive 275 GTB short nose, another covered headlight short wheelbase 250 GT California Spider, one of 15 factory competition Daytonas, one of only 2 in right-hand drive, and another right-hand drive 250 GT short wheelbase, one of only 11 built with a steel body. 991 GT3 Touring, still an absolute modern classic, especially with a manual gearbox. We have another Zagato-bodied Aston Martin Vanquish, this time a shooting brake, again right-hand drive, a car that we sold with delivery mileage to the previous owner. Now has 2,000 miles and available for sale again. BMW 1M, we're not afraid of a modern classic, and a 1M is one of the peak BMWs of recent times alongside the E46 CSL. We have a 1,000-mile from new, one owner 430 Coupe. 512 Boxer with the rare Zegna limited edition interior, which we have just sold, so that is awaiting time to go into the workshop for its full pre-delivery inspection. Like all the cars that are sold by DK Engineering are delivered with a full PDI on our own workshops, having just been carried out. 348 GTC, very rare car indeed, and also this is right-hand drive, the original lightweight V8 supercar Ferrari in terms of those limited edition runs like the 360 Challenge Stradale, the 430 Scuderia, the Speciale, the Pista. The 348 GTC is the rarest and the original daddy of that series. A lovely Cayman GT4, which has been owned by a friend and client of the business since pretty much brand new. A great 488 GTB in Grigio with black, superb colour combination. And finally in the corner here, a Carrera GT in midnight blue with Ascot interior. This car's not actually for sale, but this is one of one in this specification in the whole wide world, and I believe it to be the best specification Carrera GT in existence. And then we'll move into the final showroom. In here we'll find one of 50 right-hand drive original 289 AC Cobras, alongside a Jaguar XK 140 special equipment, fully restored by DK Engineering with a few delicate upgrades, including a D-type cylinder head. Of course, the original cylinder head comes with it. Bucket seats, restored for our company founder again, so with no regard to cost for the restoration, fantastic car. A Chairs and Flares right-hand drive Dino GTS, again, totally restored by DK Engineering, 2.5-year restoration, probably one of the most expensive Dino restorations because it was carried out to the highest level throughout. Absolutely stunning car, only being sold because the owner is moving to Dubai, so right-hand drive is no longer appropriate for him. And then the very final car in here, Bugatti Chiron Sport in what is possibly the most fetching colour combination in existence for one of these cars. We hope you've enjoyed the tour.